Alright guys, that wasn't, I don't think that's too much fun. Based on the hearts you guys are giving, I don't think you guys like that at all. Was that epic or what? Yes, we are in Summerside, Prince Edward Island for the Summerside Air Show here. The Atlantic Canada International Air Show. And it's been one heck of a ride. I loved every second of it. And I hope you guys did too. So we're just gonna jump out here.
Wait, stand there. Just go ahead and sit back down.
Okay.
Let's unbuckle from the seat, from the parachute. Oh, no, parachute.
Parachute too?
And you just leave the parachute right there in the seat.
Oh yeah, okay, that works.
Extra weight and stuff on it.
Oh!
Good time?
Yes! Are we doing it again?
That you gotta talk to the organizer.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, now you can just go ahead and stand up, stand on the parachute, get yourself out.
Oh, very good. That was awesome.
Just give me a hand just a second.
Oh.
Oh, don't stand on the wing. Got it? Yep.
Woo! Alright guys, was that awesome or what? Right here. Oh my god, that was wicked.
I'm glad you had a great time.
That was awesome. Rick, that was wicked.
You ready to take over for me as a air show pilot?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
well, all right, then we'll just talk to lead and put you in as number 4.
Let's do it. I'm game. Oh my goodness. I want to do that again.
You're going to let me do that a bunch more times today. Matter of fact, you know how we were in the diamond?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to do that in a loop.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
Dude, I was kind of worried when I was up there. I was a little bit worried. I was like, you know, can I handle this? And then we're going through. I'm like, yeah!
I got an idea that you're handling it well when I get all the hee-haws and all that going on as we're going upside down, right?
Oh, that was wicked. Oh my goodness.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. It was a great fun to have you along.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. That was wicked. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, what'd you think? Did you just like that or what? Alright guys, was that awesome or what? That was absolutely incredible. As you know, I couldn't talk when I was in the plane. Well, I could, but you probably couldn't hear me. But we are in Summerside for the Atlantic Canada International Air Show that's taking place this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. How close were the planes? Really close. You've seen it on the video. Things were really tight, and they did such an amazing job. And man, that was one heck of a thrill. So I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to subscribe to the videos. We're going to do a couple more things. Between you and I, there's something scheduled for tomorrow that's really epic. I might be jumping out with the Canadian parachuting team, the Skyhawks. Right now it's tentative. It's scheduled for 10 a.m. Just waiting to hear back on basically the final word. So be sure to subscribe, guys. And you're going to see some more cool videos. Thanks.